We are pleased to show you the 2018 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, front-wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.